think Ascend provides an awesome networking experience for people that I enjoy connecting with every year when I come. People from all over the U.S. that provide educational, informational things on not only being a better therapist, but also helping improve our business.
I think if you want to fundamentally change where your business is today, I think this is a place to be.
I'm in business, I'm running a business, growing a business, and it's always hard to find the right people to help support you as you grow your business. But I've left here with more contacts, more mentors to reach out to than I could imagine.
What I love most about Ascend is the collaboration, networking with other executives who are in private practice like us and who are facing a lot of the same challenges. It's great to be able to share and keep moving the profession forward together.
It seems like everyone here is trying to continue making the profession what it is and coming up with solutions to where we're going to go next. So that's pretty exciting as a newer PT.
Looking forward to this year. Honestly, it's just the camaraderie, knowing that there are other people going through the same growing pains or struggling pains with growing or scaling their businesses and their offices.
Approach collaboration with the hope of what you might gain, not the fear of what you might lose.
My favorite moments so far have been listening to talks that really emphasize patient empowerment as well as employee empowerment. I think it's super vital to give employees the tools that they need to give patients the care that they deserve.
I think the content that's given to us by the speakers is critical. A lot of it's new information. I got some great pearls and a lot of discussion that was stimulated amongst myself and some of the colleagues that came.
My favorite thing was definitely the breakout session where we all got to dance and see how to do the flossing.
So I was surrounded by prominent and sociable leaders. So being able to have a cool pick, we got a pick for the car ride in the Tesla, self-driving, pretty cool.
I love Ascend.
I love Ascend.
I love Ascend.